We are finally doing this.
On the video, you might think that they know what they're doing, but they have no freaking idea.
To put the ultimate in high-fidelity music listening within the reach of everyone.
Pretty nice view, huh?
It's kind of sad, and it's good in another way, because it means things are coming along. Finally. He's laughing at our English. It's a scandal.
Liftoff. This is the behind the scenes thing?
This material.
Yes.
Driving around town, trying to find some missing parts with no luck. But we stocked up on chocolate and coffee, so we did get something.
So we are really excited, hoping to get the engine in place today, but you never know. Usually some kind of problem occurs, so yeah, fingers crossed that will be a smooth sailing today. Time for some chocolate and coffee.
So we got that famous coffee going. Now I need to make some modifications to one of the brackets for the diesel pump, because the diesel lines were blocked by this triangle here. So we have marked out the spot, and now we need to get it cutting. That should do it.
Ja, det var ikke på der.
Speedometer cable. It's a bit worn, so it needs to be replaced.
It is the next morning. We are tired, but still excited to continue working on the engine. Simon is just cooking some breakfast, and then we're gonna drop Zulu off, aren't we? We got a friend that's gonna look after her the rest of the weekend, so she doesn't have to be home by herself, and we don't have to feel bad for her. Get driving to the garage, meet up with the other guys. So we'll see you there.
Okay, bringing you a quick update. I'm doing it outside because it's a shared garage. Anyway, we have come up to a good start today. We've been fitting the new diesel pump, but we managed to mount it properly. So basically now the entire engine is ready, just like the big moment of this weekend. So let's start installing the engine. So the engine is finally installed. This has been a long way coming, but I'm so happy it's finally here. Norris will be more fit than ever.
Nei, it's they have an English YouTube fans.
Oh,
yes.
it's on English.
This is a behind the scenes thing.
This material.
Yes,
Yes. We are looking at these two rookies.
On the video, you might think that they know what they're doing, but they have no freaking idea. So we're the magic people behind this.
And this
crap.
is a bit unsteady filming because
Very good filming.
and now we are excited to see if Benedict is getting the turbo hose fitted.
Yes.
He's laughing at our English. It's a scandal. Yes, she got it on. If she can get fitted the hose clamps. I don't understand why she's laughing. This is
laughing into English, darling.
This is deadly serious. Maybe we should start this video blog, you and me, Eske?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
I'm very positive. We don't have to do that. Hashtag, no, what is it? Subscribe, and there's another button. Subscribe and
Follow and subscribe.
Like
and follow.
Like, follow, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so we actually had to disassemble the entire engine one more time because we were unable to find the correct, correct TDC in there. So now we managed to do it. We had to adjust the clutch plate a bit actually, but you know, it's a custom engine at the end. It's approaching midnight, but at least we figured out the problem and we're ready to connect all the clamps and the hoses and all the lines and everything now. Yeah, you can see the top is here exposed, and also there's no oil sump right now because we had to figure out the correct timing, but we did it.
It's in place for the second time.
And it's dark outside.
Time to sleep. Okay, day 3.
Day 3, picked up some tools from some friends of us and ready for our new day, energized. And yeah, you did see the struggles we had with the engine last night. It's all good, and today we're gonna try to install the diesel heater. It has been a long time coming, but the facilities are a bit better in the garage we're going to. So lots of exciting stuff to come up.
We're at the garage, and I think we're gonna get starting with the diesel heater first and see whether we find a place for it. We're thinking about placing it underneath the sofa. So the plan is to fit the diesel heater underneath our sofa. So you can see the bracket here. So now we've just been measuring out, see where the holes are gonna end up underneath the car. We've considered it back and forth, and we really need the heater for cold Norwegian nights. So we're gonna sacrifice the storage and yeah, just go for it.
Sure out if we got the match.
Hello?
Here's an update from underneath the van. These are the parts coming from the diesel heater. This is the exhaust, this is the air intake. And this little nozzle here with the cap on is for the diesel. Now we need to figure out how to mount all the hoses coming down and get onto the diesel line somehow. Okay, so another update on the diesel heater installation. This is what it looks like now. If you're ever gonna do a similar operation, you need to remember this electrical wire here, which powers the pump. If you don't, you need to do like us and loosen all the screws and release the unit to thread the cable through. So remember that. That's a quick tip for you. So what you basically see here are the air hose for the air, and this is the exhaust, which we decided to place out here. Here's the fuel line. What we did here, we tried to keep it a bit clean, so you can see we use this channel here, and both the fuel line and the electrical wire is coming through this beam and attached to the pump, and eventually the fuel line will continue here to this hose, which will mount like a T-splitter on. And it's pretty easy actually. We just attached everything so it's nice and clean. More good stuff coming along to Norway. And we're learning so much new things, which is fun.
So I'm done drilling the holes. So this will be where the cold air goes in, and over here we'll have the heated air coming out. What is it going to look like? Something like this.
We're about to round off from the garage. This is the result after this weekend. Most of the components are in place. We haven't gotten in the belts and done the timing yet, but that will have to be another day. So pretty satisfied with the effort we put in. Can't wait to start this guy up, and huge thanks to the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Rikard. He knows everything, and he's been teaching us basically this entire thing this weekend, so Pretty cool. In the next episode we will start him up and hopefully we'll be back on the road shortly.